How to redeem codes on Monopoly Go. The first things first is you won't be able to redeem the code by using the application from Play Store, but instead you'll have to use any preferred browser that you can use from your Apple or your Android device. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome since I'm currently using an Android device right here. So all I have to do is just directly search for Monopoly Go. Now all I have to do is scroll down a bit till you find the monopolygo.com's official website. Just tap on that. Now just scroll down a bit till you find this portion right here, like the reward codes. Now once you already have the code in hand, then this is going to be the part in which you'll have to enter in. You'll just have to make sure that you're logged in either through your Facebook account or through directly from your Monopoly Go account. You'll be able to get this either from the App Store on Apple or from Google Play Store with the Android. So you'll just have to type in the specific code, and once you click on go, it will automatically be redeemed to one of your game. So that's it. That's how you redeem codes with Monopoly Go.